your face.
Why? What are you going to do? Oh my god!
So
yeah, now I have to buy this. Oh my god.
Alright, and shortly we're just sliding into Paraglider.
Oh, do I have to hold this?
Yeah, just keep it in front of you.
Oh.
You can, if it looks too fast and you're not ready to ride, just stay sitting and slide.
Okay, I'll try.
Diving in now, you can move the speed. How hard was that?
It's easy.
One more here. There we go.
That's good. That's good.
It's quite entertaining.
That was very cheeky to give me that.
Oh.
Awesome.
And there is Steve coming for a landing. Oh, I think we've been way more graceful than that.
You cut him well though.
So yeah, we have our survivor right here.
I survived!
Still smiling, so that's all good.
Smiling.
Get that off.
Thank you.
This is